I bought this Teeho Keypad digital deadbolt at Amazon for $69. Then $5 discount. This is the casing and this is the manual. Everything is written in the manual. Very easy. So you need first to remove all the old deadlocks. So very easy. For me, the diameter of the door is smaller, so I drilled the right size diameter and install it now. So very easy. If you're inside, just lock it. If you're outside, so just go outside. There's the keypad here. So just press any number for 2 seconds and it will lock. And after that, it's locked now. Just enter your code and press Teeho and it will unlock.